What's going on, guys? Back to another video. In this video we got our hands on the Samsung's new flagship smartphone. I could never think about getting this phone for myself, but I was wondering if I could get my hands on this beast. So I visited Hyperstar and get my hands on it. So let's take an overview of it without wasting any time. So first of all, talking about the design, the phone is coming with the same feel as the Samsung Galaxy S8 from the last year. The phone is coming with three colors: the midnight black, the lilac purple, and the coral blue. In this year's phone, the bezels are thinner than the Galaxy S8 from the last year. The Bixby is still here, the bezels are thinner, the Bluetooth 5.0, the iris scanner, everything same. But Samsung got some lessons and brought the fingerprint under the camera. The fingerprint is faster, all the sensors are present, but got a new one. We now get a blood pressure sensor. The greatest thing of the phone is the cameras. We have dual camera setup on S9 Plus, but no dual cameras on the S9. The best thing of this phone are these cameras. Samsung had too many efforts in the cameras and the cameras are very amazing. Both front and back cameras are cool. We got 8 megapixel autofocus sensor on the front, and on the back we get 12 megapixel dual camera setup. One wide angle and the other telephoto lens. The best thing of the S9 Plus is the dual aperture. This is amazing and I never saw it before any phone. The camera is with two modes, f1.5 and f2.4. The camera modes we get here are auto mode, pro mode, panorama, live focus, air emoji, hyperlapse, and the super slow-mo. The phone supports 4K video recording on 60fps, 1080p recording on 240fps, and the super slow-mo 960fps. That's pretty cool. Other than this, the phone is coming in two variants, one with Snapdragon 845 and Exynos 9810 other, and the S9 comes with 4GB RAM and the S9 Plus is with 6GB. Also getting expandable storage, supported up to 400 gigs, microSD card. The phone is shipping with Android Audio and pretty everything same as the S8. From the last year, the IP68, Samsung DeX, Bixby button on side, infinity display with thinner bezels than the S8. The juice we're getting in S9 battery is 3000 mAh, while there is 3500 on S9 Plus, and the display of the phone is the best display ever. The S9 screen is 5.8 inch and S9 Plus with 6.2. It's a Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display and the small bezels, the 2018. But thank God there's no notch over here. Good job, Samsung. So yeah, that's all, folks. Help me reach this video 100 likes and I'll buy it by selling the YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts about Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I'll catch you in my next one. Till then, peace out.
Make him spicy, Papa.